Hello, learners. Hello, beginners. And hello, strangers who can improve English, who can improve our vocabulary. Today, I am here with same topic, vocabulary practice. And today, I have some cold. So that's why I am facing little bit issue to speak English, to speak anything. So don't mind to about my voice because I'm lacking a little bit, but I try to do my level best in this video. And so let's get started this video. And yes.
Yeah, so we are going to continue with the same vocabulary practice. I'll tell him a few words, even though the words are noted down by him while watching some of my videos and while reading. So I'm just going to tell him words, and he has to make sentences. He has to practice in front of you guys. The same you have to do, just pick those words and make sentences. So that would help you improve your sentence structure. Number one is understand.
Okay, if we start anything like we improve any skill, we start anything improving our journey, so that time it's very necessary to understand basic thing firstly, then we dive into more and more.
So can you share one more sentence using understand?
Okay, I am trying to understand English podcast, so that's why I improve my communication skill.
So I can improve my communication skill. Okay. Any other sentence would you like to share?
Understand basic understanding is more important rather than complete knowledge.
Hmm.
Yes,
Related to the first sentence as you mentioned already. Okay. That's it.
that's it.
Okay. So the next word is explain.
Explain.
Hmm.
Could you explain me how can I make sentence on this vocabulary?
Okay. Great. Any other sentence?
Sometimes she's explain me how can I make negative sentence.
Hmm.
So that is very uh, helpful for me because sometimes I go with not, but she explained me how can I use these words, these vocabulary.
Hmm.
So yes.
Okay. She explained me. She is explained me. Both are incorrect. We have to say she explains.
She explains.
And okay, she is explain me is also not right. It's she is explaining. But in present simple, we simply go with ses. She
Yes,
does that.
yes.
She explains all these words or structure. This is how you can say. Okay, the next word is discuss.
Discuss.
Hmm.
Today I want to discuss about new movie
Hmm.
with you.
Discuss about is not correct. Simply say, I would like to discuss the movie I watched
The
today.
movie was today. Yes.
Okay. Or I would like to discuss the story of the movie which I recently watched. Discuss and about don't come together. Okay. You can say, I would like to talk about. With talk, you can use about, but with discuss, you cannot use about.
Okay.
Any other sentence?
When I was at my student level, at
Hmm.
student time,
Hmm.
then I then I discuss any topic with my friends
So I used to discuss topics, different topics with my friends during school days.
during school days. Yes.
Or when I was a student, I used to discuss all the difficult topics with my classmates. Any other sentence?
No.
Okay, so the next one is suggest.
Suggest.
Hmm.
Okay. She suggest me some books related to English improvement. Is it
She
right?
suggests me.
Suggests me. Yes.
Okay.
Next.
Any other sentence?
Okay. Mhm. I'm not able right now.
Okay. Have you suggested anyone anything related to books, related to how to improve English? Any suggestion if you gave to anyone?
Today, today I gave some suggestion to related to business improvement with my friends.
Okay. How to expand business? You gave some suggestion on how to expand business. Okay. Last word is answer.
Answer,
How do you pronounce this word?
answer,
Answer.
answer,
Okay, he was pronouncing it as answer. That's not right. So yeah.
answer. When we stuck at that time, then the answer is very important for our knowledge.
When we stuck, the answer is very
When
important.
we stuck any question, so then we need to answer that question.
Okay. For sentence purpose, it's fine, but we need to figure out all the answers on our own when life gets tough.
Okay.
Or in order to give a very great answer, we should have first the great knowledge, only then we can give the answers of all the questions we get.
Yeah.
So if I give you a task to use all the words in one paragraph, would you be able to do that? All means understand, explain, discuss, suggest, and answer.
What?
I said, if I ask you to use all these 5 words in one paragraph
One paragraph.
and share anything which can make sense, that should make sense. It should not be like all the sentences are different sentences and they are not linked, they are not related. They should be related to each other.
Hmm. Can I make sentence on this vocabulary?
No. Can you use all the 5 words in one paragraph?
Yes.
So use them.
Okay. I make the whole word to use
In one
all
paragraph.
these.
By looking at these words, you can use.
Mhm.
Try making a paragraph by looking at these words if you can do that.
Right now, I am understand how can I explain the books is very important for everyone because uh, because at this topic I discuss with you so many times. So you suggest me that these books are very helpful for beginner. So first time it's my question to you. Okay, how can we improve English at beginner level? Then you answer me. That is, you answer me. The books are really helpful for you.
So
Is
that
it
this
right?
was very spontaneous. I didn't ask him that I'll ask him to do that. I thought that I'll give him spontaneously and let's check if he can use. Minor mistakes here and there he makes, but good try. So this is how you also have to try using all 5 words in one paragraph. That should make sense, and gradually this is how you can increase the vocabulary, like using 5 words, then using 10 words, then using 15 words. This is how you would learn how to speak at length. Okay, that's it.
Yes, that's it for today. We will see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.